Welcome back, guys. Crypto for Life channel. Today, we would like to talk about a VeChain, that USDT trading pair with my custom maker set, local targets. Let's dive in. Guys, global targets, I million times already showed you. So no makes sense to repeat absolutely the same information. So I recommend you to dive into a weekly time frame and the daily time frame, and especially maybe 12-hour time frame to double check what's going on with this stock now, because yesterday you saw in one single candle VeChain pumped 300% because they stock and listed on Upbeat. And people just don't track the news, react too emotionally, right? And also a million times explained it and showed you how on the previous tokens. You can open the chart of Omni, just a last example, ladies, Saga, AGLD, how leasing on Upbeat affect the price on the next few days, how it pump the token and dump the token. So a lot of people on that crazy candle of VeChain hop in here because they start thinking, oh, we're going to $1. In the comment section, I read just crazy random crazy numbers like, oh, VeChain to $1 to $2 to $7, $5, and all of that absolutely brainwashed nonsense numbers. Guys, just go and do some math, about first of all, about this token. Second one, about the capitalization with the $7 of VeChain. So just in case. Why if now the VeChain should pump to $7, why it's not pumped at least to $1 in last cycle? I have no idea what that people do in this market. Just to be honest, guys, people don't want to educate themselves. That's why we get the exit liquidity at the end. So the targets for VeChain still relevant. We can work now with this block. Should VeChain pump to this target now immediately like VTOR? Basically not, because VeChain already listed on Upbeat before. So there's no pump news, for VeChain at this current moment. But anyway, I believe with altcoin season, VeChain will reach the main targets. Should we drop now lower? Guys, everything can happen with Trump, some decisions, what he start to signing. Now, it can be the good decision, it can be the bad decision. So people, narrative around people now, they when we trade it here, we should drop like COVID dump, and only after that pump. Like you can see at this current moment, nothing bad happened. Right, so the next step and the target could be this one. So it's a monthly favorable gap. It's 9 cents, 58 and 23 by FIP around 10 cents. After that, my take is around this. Next step is around 19 cents. When we'll reach this target and this one, then we'll talk about VeChain again. Locally, the charts absolutely identical like many other charts. Let's extend the chart FIP. Right now we're trying breaking out the zero level accumulation zone. Like I showed you before, it was around 18 level by FIP. We didn't test that block, but it was okay time to buy around 1 cent. I don't think so. We will drop to 1 cent. Based on what? I don't see any reason now for that drop. But I see the reasons for continuation of the uptrend on the altcoins because of seasonality and because of we don't have too much time. We get like February, March, April, May. So basically 4 months. And guys, all of that fairy tale story with the altcoin season can be done. So just in case we don't have so much time, like people now think, oh, we just at the beginning. We should pump like crazy next 2 years. Guys, altcoin season doesn't work like this one. We already pumped at 300% for VeChain. So the next step, imagine if we pump, let's say to this one, it's going to be a 1000% gains. Check also the market capitalization of VeChain, and not all tokens will hit the new all-time high. I truly believe in tech like VeChain, what they provided is cool. It's cool, it's useful for real life, right? Also, I believe that Asia will drive the market again. Because now I think with the Trump, we can see the new leader again, the United States. But I think the Asia will have own momentum again. So that's the case. And technically, the next target, if take a look, that's just a basic. So this is a global FIB. We can hide it. Let's hide that FIB global one. So here, even if we use the local one, so impulse, correction, impulse. So here was a low, here was a top. We stop it at 61 level FIB. It's more than enough for correction. The best case and the best entry is here. I already explained it to you. Should we drop? It's not necessary, guys. We already dropped it to 61. This is going to be the best case scenario and going higher. So just in case, if will not drop to this area, you can buy even now. If you believe, of course, in VeChain, guys, just in case. If you have zero interest to buy some token, we talk about investment on the spot. Don't need to click the buttons, just in hopium. So this token should pump. You just invest in that token, whether you believe in it, and whether you have a plan, when to in, when to out. I hold VeChain. I add my alert, maybe to fix some profit at not at 10 cents, but around 9. I will maybe fix some profit at least withdraw my initial deposit. So that's the point, guys. And global targets, of course, the relevance now would be good to see the impulse, consolidation, impulse. So that's the point. Where we will stop by end of May, it's hard to say. So now we can't know where we stop. Take a look with my customer said here. This was the top, we drop, not even close to even the warranty. So on the daily, there is no warranty. It's good. So it's more bullish than bearish. This was a bearish sign. So it was a AFRIA. So here, this is capitulation, pump, AFRIA, 300% pump. For everyone who think it's not a big deal, guys, yes, 300%, it's a big deal. The problem only, maybe you have some small amount of money. Because if some guy invested here, for example, even 50K, he made like 150, he made a year's United States salary in one single trade on a spot. Took a big risk, took a big gains. That's a problem. With a small amount of money, you can make a big money with the high risky assets like meme tokens. When you trade the VeChain or some similar tokens, you can't wait some crazy gains because there's no hype now, and it's kind of heavy because it's not a like low cap token. So just in case, guys, and it's maybe some hard to put this token higher, right? Need to see some crazy new money inflow. Here we're still not at the top on direction on the weekly time frame, still not at the top on crazy madness AFRIA like it was here in April somewhere once. So guys, I still believe we will be in an uptrend. Locally, yes, we can drop to this block. It's going to be the perfect scenario because you will get a best entry again. Locally, I believe in the upside move for alts. Take a look at the trade on money power. Here, it was a money outflow. Now, and the signal to sell. Now, unfortunately, no signal to buy back or new money inflow. Money inflow was here. If we talk about a daily time frame, also no money inflow, but we got a bullish MACD warranty. It's a good one. So, I repeat, the best case scenario, guys, it will be the dump like this one and pump. So unfortunately, for everyone who hop in here, I will be in losses if the price will dump to 2 cents. My entry around here, around 4, I guess. But it's for the spot, so I'm ready to hold the VeChain. That's why I add my alert. So around 100%, I would like to withdraw my initial deposit. So that's the point, guys. But guys, it's only my strategy, my capital. That's why I work with it. Take a look. This was a sell, buy, pump, recommendation, close position, no new signal to buy. So the best case scenario, I repeat, it's sweep of this low, 3 cents, 87, drop to 3 cents. Everybody starts screwing, we're going to hell. And so we start pumping. And last indicator is take profit. Take a look there, here. What I mean, we can retest the buy line. Buy line now it's 3 cents, 333, just in case. Daily time frame, this also going higher, so it will be more than okay to retest the daily time frame. Buy line 2 cents 85. After that, all main targets relevant. I don't think so we'll drop to the buy line on a weekly, but daily and 12 time frame more than good to test. Just in case, guys. I hope you like this video. Please in comment what is your realistic price target for VeChain. If you would like to trade with my customer care what I showed in this video, just write me a DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.